how to block part of the screen with interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. In here, you want to scroll down and then tap on interaction control. In here, make sure you turn on interaction control shortcut. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on. When you turn it on, you need to turn off some of the features. Tap on the left hand side panel and choose a shortcut. In here, I have activated both shortcuts, press side and volume up buttons, as well as press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Once you have turned on the interaction control shortcut, let's go back to the home screen and open up an app. So here I will open up my gallery app, for example, and then I will press on the volume up and the side button to open up the menu. From the accessibility menu, I'm going to go down and tap on interaction control to start the app. In here, you can choose to block the whole screen or part of the screen. Now I want to only block part of the screen, so I will deselect block whole screen. And then draw the area where you want to block. So here you can, once you draw the area, you can move this selection box around the screen. So here you can block the top part of the screen. You can resize it by dragging on the handle, on the window handle, and then tap on done when you finish. Now at the top here, there is the options button. Tapping on the options button will allow you to set some options. In here you can set a time limit. So here we can set it for 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can also choose during the block to enable or disable side button, volume button or keyboard. If you disable all of this, then the person using the phone will not be able to access the side button or the volume buttons or the keyboard. And now tap on the back key and then tap on done. When you tap on done, then your phone will start the blocking. So you can see here, when I try to touch the screen, nothing happens. If I move down here, it will work. During the block, if I press on the volume button, nothing happens. And that's it. So here, to close the interaction, we will use the same shortcuts again. So volume up and side button. So press on both keys, and that will turn off interaction control. So here, when we turn off, the lock screen will come up. We need to verify before we can unlock it. And that's it. So that is how you can block part of the screen using interaction control on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.